It finally happened. I promised you I would talk about it, and today I'm going to do it. I'm Mike Steger. I'm a trademark and copyright attorney. And yesterday, the Supreme Court issued its ruling in the Trump too small trademark case. I talked about this in previous videos back when the case was argued. The Supreme Court unanimously ruled that the trademark office acted properly under the law when it refused an application to register the trademark Trump too small for t-shirts and other apparel that was filed by a lawyer in California to register the mark without the consent of Donald Trump, where the trademark was obviously referring to Donald Trump. This wasn't really a surprise. The Supreme Court's opinions, or four opinions that were filed, are a bit of a mess. They all reached the same result, but under different rationales. There is a ban under the Lanham Act, which governs trademark registrations in the US. There is a ban on registering a trademark with the name of a living person without that person's consent. And the Supreme Court found that that statutory provision was valid. It did not violate the First Amendment. It restricted, excuse me, it restricts speech based on content, in that you can't register a trademark with the name of a living person, but you can register trademarks with a lot of other things. But it is viewpoint neutral. So what that means is it doesn't matter if you are positively or negatively referring to the person whose name is being used. All the justices agreed on that. This trademark provision was upheld. This case did not focus. There's another provision of the Lanham Act which could have applied here, and that is that you cannot register a trademark that includes the name of a president, whether living or dead, but that was not an issue in the case. That was not cited by the trademark examiner. That's all I've got for this video. If you're looking to register a trademark, whether it has a living person's name or not, I can talk with you about getting a consent if it's needed, or we can talk about anything else that you may have an issue with your trademark. I'm Mike Steger. I'm a trademark and copyright attorney.